On 3rd of January, KSA Gandhipur unit was formed at Gandhipur Hindi LP School. The formation of the unit was undertaken by KSA Bokazhan District Committee. Raju Ingling, President, KSA BDC, chaired the program, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Desoy Teron, Secretary, KSA BDC. It was informed that prior to the unit formation program, a Mimi leadership training was also organized. After a prolonged discussion, it was unanimously decided to appoint Jeep Singh Taro as the President, Mili Rongpipi as the Vice President, Sonju Teron as Secretary, Rupmili Teronpi as the Assistant Secretary, John Ingti as the Finance Secretary, Kabon Ingtipi as Cultural Secretary, Thomas Terang as Office Secretary, along with 12 executive members to take forward the unit in fulfilling the aspirations of the general public. Mohan Teron, SGB, Mohori Teron, GB Gandhipur, Horichand Teron, GB, Bali Teron, Jilangso GB, Suren Teron, Gandhipur Market Committee, Babu Teron, Social Activist, Hemari Teron, Khorsing Teron, Rening T, and several dignitaries attended the event. Anand Terang's report from Bokazhan for Karbi Live.